relative price of labor is going to be equal to 1 over sigma times delta K minus delta L. Right? So remember, I got that same trick we always do with the elasticity of substitution. I got W relative to R on the left, and I have K relative to L on the right. So this will be a positive effect now, right? Now usually you think about it as the elasticity of substitution, which is how the quantities respond to prices. If I'm looking at prices relative to quantities, that's why I'm getting a 1 over sigma in this relationship. People understand that? That's why there's a 1 over sigma. Sigma plus delta B, which is our technological bias that we ended the lecture with last time, which tells us how the technology is shifting capital relative to labor, how that isoquant is shifting in, and whether it's biased toward labor or biased toward capital.